Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PHP, that is version 8.5 on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here PHP download. Hit enter. So that will show you this php.net. So just simply go to the official site of PHP. So this link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and you will get this PHP 8.5 is available to download. So first we will have this non-thread safe option and then we will have thread safe. So I recommend you to proceed with thread safe. So just simply click on this zip link and it's going to immediately start downloading your PHP. And you can see that it is rightly downloaded. So let's first minimize your browser and go to your download directory, and here you can see that PHP 8.5 is already downloaded over here. So just right click and click on extract all and click on extract. So it is rightly extracted. Here is our PHP 8.5.0. So if you go inside that folder, you will see all files and folders over here. So all you need to do now is just right click and cut this folder, and then you go to your C drive, then right click and paste that PHP folder over here. Next thing that you need to do is you need to right click and go and you need to click on rename, and then you need to rename this folder to something little shorter, that is PHP 8.5.0. so that's it. So keep it like this, then go inside that folder and select this address bar and right click and copy this C folder path over here. Next go to search and type environ. So that will show you this edit the system environment variable. So open that and in system properties click on environment variable, and here under system variable just simply click on path and click on edit. So that will show you all these environment variables. Here need to add a new one, so click on new, right click and paste that PHP folder path over here. Next click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. And now if you close everything and just simply go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type php space -- version and just simply hit enter, it's going to show you this latest version of PHP, that is what you have just now installed. Now let's do a bit of coding. So create a new folder and let's name this folder as PHP practice, and just simply go inside that folder and let's create a new text document and give this text document name as index.php. Just click on yes to change the file name extension and open this file in a notepad or any other code editor you want, and then you need to write a simple PHP code snippet over here. So I am writing that code snippet and I'm going to just simply echo hello world. So that's it. Just go to file and save this file, and now you need to run this program. So to run this, first click on this address bar and type cmd on your command prompt. That will open command prompt right at this location. Now to run this file just simply type php and then give your file name, which is index.php. so index.php and hit enter. So that's going to show you the output. So whatever you have written on this program hello world, so that output will be coming to your console. And that's how you install latest version of PHP and you run your PHP program right on command prompt. If you want to learn more about PHP and also want to know how to install WordPress, then please do subscribe at Geeky Syntax channel. You will get lot of videos already. So all these videos I have already created, so you can also check that out. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are not only free, you also get detailed source code on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.